Take the sign down. I made this. This is my little diner. That's a real Lino railroad car made into a diner. And I got where the two wires connect back here. So this lights up and glows. It's a real diner.
Look at
It's all
that.
handmade.
Look at
And
that.
workshop over there, the diesel shop. That diesel shop, I made that. Everything here is homemade.
Gary, this is wonderful.
It is beautiful.
Now, when it's running, I'm sorry, I got.
No, go ahead.
Yeah.
When it's running, I got the train up there. If you look behind there, that's one train on the bridge. There's two down here. I can run 4 trains. I got a power pack over here with remote control. I can run 4 trains.
Wow, look at that.
That is cool.
Look at that. Look at those trees.
And all those videos you see up there, all on top of the TV, all those videos are model railroads. Even to the point where they got model railroads that are 12-inch tracks, so a human being can ride on them in the backyard. Because a lot of people have backyard railroads.
Right, right. Look at this.
I had thought about doing a train thing, but I was going to get the ones that I think they're the N or the Z.
Yeah, there's a problem with that.
What's that?
Well, you're going to get older.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He's learning, though.
And working with tweezers is not appealing. You know what I mean? And
Right.
where this, if you pick it up, there's a real motor in there, and them engines the size of like what you'd have like in a roll-up window.
Look at the man that's 2 of them in there.
Yeah.
This looks like a caboose you converted into something.
I made that into the not a hideout. That's where the guys that walk the tunnel. That everything lights up.
I gotcha.
All right, that's where the guys that work the tunnel. That's their living quarters, and they walk the tunnel. That railroads really do that.
I gotcha.
They have guys. They work in pairs, like 48 on and 48 off. They walk the tunnel for rock slides.
I gotcha.
Yeah. Now I built another railroad for my son. I got a picture of it. I'll show you back there. While you're here, I don't know if you can do something for me.
Sure.
See if you can do this. I want to show you now.
This is beautiful. I love this. This is beautiful.
I don't know which one goes where. I haven't got a clue.
Ooh, the old kitchen, huh?
Yeah, I want to show you what I did here. Oh, look at that.
Caught you a beat.
Dead wasp.
Oh, you see this? I have one.
Yeah?
Yes, we do.
And I have a pewter train set with all different kinds of engines
Problem
on
with
it.
Lionel now, only doctors can afford the stuff.
Right.
Is there any way you could rehang that if you move
Sure.
that box?
I
don't know which one goes.
Yeah, I will. 'Cause